I absolutely hate doing the things that I have to do. I have to work. I have to cook. I have to clean. I have to do the laundry. I have to do the dishes. Meanwhile, all the things that I want to do, like travel more or go to the movies, join a gym, play with the puppies, all of that gets pushed to the side because of all the things that I have to do. I feel guilty about going and doing the things that I want to do when I've got such a mountain of stuff at home to do. And I hate feeling that way. I hate feeling guilty about going and doing something for myself. But I do, because my to-do list just seems never ending. I'm really hoping that by decluttering, my have-to-do list will get shorter, leaving me more time for my want-to-do list. So I'm cleaning my room today, and I've already done quite a few of the steps. Your steps are probably shorter than mine, but I'm a messy person. But now I need to dust and sweep the floor. I've decided before I dust, I'm going to go ahead and do some decluttering in here, because when I dust, I have to move everything off. I have to dust, and then I have to put everything back, and it's a pain in my butt. So I do have a small box in here. It's got a few things in there from the last time I decluttered. I'm going to go ahead and finish filling that up. I'm running out of boxes. I've been decluttering so much. But I was able to find a small tote back there that's empty. So I'm going to use that and try to fill that up today. So one thing I've noticed is the amount of magazines that I have in this room. The last time I decluttered, I held on to the magazines thinking that I was going to read them. I thought, well, I can read a magazine a day. It's mostly ads, but I haven't read them. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter those today. This is my stack of magazines I'm getting rid of. So I really want to be able to dust easier. So I'm getting rid of this that was sitting on the headboard. And I'm getting rid of these two home interior pillows that were sitting on the headboard. So this is a jewelry box. My mom had one similar to it, and so that was why I wanted it. But this jewelry box is broken, so I'm going to get rid of it. So this is actually a drawer organizer. It's for bras, but I don't have any room in my drawers, so this is going. So one thing I noticed on my headboard were these. I have asthma, and these are empty inhalers, but yet I hold on to my empty inhalers because I think, well, if I run out, maybe one of these will work in an emergency. I don't know why I think that way, but I do. What I need to do is to actually get rid of these, because if I do actually have an asthma attack, I want to know that whatever inhaler I pick up is going to work. So one nice thing my hubby did, he went through his shorts drawer and he decluttered a bunch of his shorts. These are going. So these are a good looking pair of work shoes. We had a work truck come to work and I got these off the work truck. But the first time I wore them, it felt like I was walking barefooted. And I thought, well, maybe I just need to break them in. So I wore them around the house quite a bit, but the more I wore them, the more my hips hurt. So these are going to get decluttered, and I'll probably have to buy another pair of work shoes out of pocket. This is a little neck pillow. I have some neck issues, so my husband bought this for me, thinking it might help, but it really hasn't. So this is going. So I've decluttered quite a few things. I think it's more than enough to fill up my tote back there. So it just feels really good to be able to get a lot of this stuff out of this room, and hopefully it'll make it easier for me to dust and clean in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff packed up, and then I'm going to dust and sweep and see how the room looks. So this is what I was able to declutter today. So this room still isn't great, but it's a whole lot better than it was. And hopefully the next time I go to clean, it won't take me near as long to get it done. And hopefully my have-to-do list just got a little bit shorter, and my want-to-do list is now a little more possible. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed decluttering videos, please subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you soon.